See here, do all the top 10 teams have winning record at home? So use the home winning record to find whether the top 10 teams have winning record at home. Okay, we are going to see whether the top 3 teams are going to have the winning record at home. I think without completing this, we cannot go to the next section. We'll see what error we are having. So I think we should, the display command is having any issue. We will not use the display command. We delete that and see whether our code is correct. Yes, problem the display. I just put the display command for our understanding. So that was the problem. The same way you see, I'm going to use whether the top 10 teams are having the winning record or not. Okay. So home winning top 10 equal to same thing I'm going to use. But instead of end, I'll be using start. We'll see. Instead of end, I'll be using start, or 1 to 10 directly we are using, because we know we are going to have only 20 teams, right? So I will be using directly 1 to 10. I'll submit the answer and see whether it is correct. No, it is saying it is not correct. We'll see what is the mistake. Sorry, we are not seeing any. We are seeing all the teams are having. So I will not be using the all. I'll be using all. I'm not using any. I'll be using all. All means we are going to find all the teams. Any means is there any one, even one team we have. So you are able to understand. All means I'll be checking for all the teams. Any means I'm giving a choice. Okay. So same thing you see. Find the number of top 10 teams that do not have the winning record at home. So they are losing the matches at home more than they are going to win the matches at home. So I'm going to create for that. See here, I'm going to use this command nnz. So nnz is number of non-zero values. 0 indicates false. Number of non-zero means indicates I'm going to count 1. Okay. There is only one team having the worst home record. They are losing more matches in home than they are winning matches. Okay, that I'm going to count only. See, I'm not saying which team is that. I'm going to count and say how many teams are falling under that category. Okay.